Hello, every UsePAY user. Now let me explain how to use the bot pack for use, refund, gift. First is the use. Tap Purchased Pack and a Golf Lesson Pack. Tap Use and enter the quantity of the pack. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap Use. Just wait a moment. Tap Confirm. When the pop-up Used appears, the use has been completed. Second is the refund. Tap the Refund and enter the quantity of the pack. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap Refund. Wait a moment. Tap Confirm. When the pop-up Refund Complete appears, the refund has been completed. Third is the gift. Tap the gift and input an address of gift recipient. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap Gift. When the transaction is ready, tap Confirm. Wait a moment. When the pop-up Gift Succeed appears, the gift has been completed. I wish it helped too when you use UsePAY.